78 at the request of the U.S. Senate. This 780-page document extensively covers all aspects of weather modification capabilities and discusses specific problems these programs were causing, including prolonged drought in some states, excessive rain in others, and disrupting the natural hydrological systems. It further discusses the legal implications for these programs and the need for oversight of national policy. The document concludes that due to the misuses and problems created by these programs, that funding would be difficult to authorize, and the need for continued research and policy was recommended. I find it very curious that I've been unable to find any similar document that's more recent for public access. And I can't even find really any acknowledgement of weather modification existing. Since the publication of this document 38 years ago, we've seen exponential growth in technology relating to the weather. Multi-million-dollar corporations like Raytheon, who is mostly known for its development of military equipment and surveillance programs, is also the owner now of the Advanced Weather Information Processing System, which monitors the weather and distributes projections and warnings to the national weather outlets. Raytheon also holds a patent for the HARP facility. That's the High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program located in Alaska. This facility, through a process known as ionospheric heating, is able to manipulate weather through electromagnetic frequencies. Today, vast amounts of our technology are in the field of electromagnetic radiation. Now we have NextRad towers and Gwen towers with varying electromagnetic frequencies that are positioned around the US and the globe. Although these systems are designed for detecting weather systems and communications, what concerns me the most is the vast amount of documentation depicting how these frequencies interact with weather systems. Yet we have no discussion regarding this phenomenon. I've been observing weather patterns and how the stratospheric aerosol spraying, or otherwise known as chemtrails, disrupts cloud formation and suppresses rain. I'm curious to know if our weather and air is being tested for toxic chemicals that are being used in weather modification programs, and also the effects of these electromagnetic frequencies that we are exposed to. Finally, is our climate changing or is it being engineered? And why aren't weather modification programs being included as part of the climate model? There are many unanswered questions, and I believe that the TDLR should be providing a public forum where people can have their concerns addressed. And finally, a quote from a great Texan: "If future generations are to remember us more with gratitude than sorrow, we must achieve more than just the miracles of technology. We must also leave them with a glimpse of the world as it was created, not just as it looked when we got through with it." That's Lyndon Baines Johnson.
Thank you.